Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Come to HomeSense with me today as we hunt for some cozy fall decor finds. Let's see what treasures we can discover to bring those warm autumn vibes home. As soon as you walk into HomeSense, you can already see they're ahead of the game when it comes to seasonal decor. Summer starts winding down and they're already rolling out their fall collections, making it one of the first places that you can find pumpkins, cozy textures, and all of those autumn vibes. It feels like the moment you step inside, they're ready to transport you straight into fall, even if the weather outside still feels like summer. Today I'm on the hunt for a fall garland that's nice and full, something similar to the ones that I spotted at Michael's, but hopefully at a better price. I love the look of those lush, layered garlands for adding warmth and texture into your home, so I'm keeping my eyes peeled for one that gives me the same cozy vibe without spending so much. I actually found one that's even better. It was about $10 cheaper and has way more detail than the ones that I saw at Michael's. If you come across turkey decor items, it's such a fabulous find. It's a fun touch for fall and it works beautifully for both Thanksgiving and general autumn styling, adding seasonal charm that carries through. Turkey decor is also perfect if you're hosting for Thanksgiving. It adds that festive touch that really brings the holiday spirit to your table and home. I find that around the fall season, HomeSense always tends to bring in pieces that give off Mackenzie Child look for so much less that it's practically free. So we have to get it, right? These are playful, whimsical patterns and they capture the same charm and statement style without the hefty price tag. They're $7.99 going for the creamer, but you can see on Mackenzie Child they range for around $80. It's the perfect place to score those eye-catching accents that feel designer but still fit within the budget. I love my few Mackenzie Childs pieces that I have at home, but I also like to mix in lookalikes to grow my collection. This creamer is perfect to match my sugar canister at home. It may be a lookalike, but it's beautifully made, and when you mix high and low pieces together, nobody can ever tell the difference. Pumpkin decor is always such a timeless fall choice. It instantly brings that festive autumn feeling into any space. I love how versatile they are, from classic orange to the neutral tones. That being said, this particular pumpkin with the eyes feels a little bit on the creepy side for my taste. I probably wouldn't go for that choice. Although this one is very muted and minimal, it has the versatility to blend seamlessly with any decor style. Fall wreaths and garlands are an absolute must when it comes to decorating, and I truly believe you really can't have too many of them. Garlands are just as fun because they can be draped across windowsills, wrapped around stair railings, or styled over cupboards to create a warm, inviting look that ties all your seasonal decor together. I like to think of it as like a bow that finishes off the present. HomeSense always has the best variety, and I find myself going back again and again. Every season they seem to bring out new styles that feel fresh, but still timeless. Fall season pillows are one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to transform a space for autumn. Swapping out just a few cushions can completely shift the mood of a room. I love how pillows allow you to play with color and texture, but without a huge commitment. Even if you don't change much else in your decor, just introducing a few fall-inspired pillows can make the whole space feel refreshed and seasonal. It does truly create a big impact with very little effort. So blankets have the same effect when it comes to fall decor as well. They instantly change the feel of a space with very little effort. Just like pillows, swapping in a few cozy throws in seasonal colors or textures can completely transform a room. Draping a chunky knit or a fun print blanket over a sofa, or even stacking a couple in a basket, not only adds comfort, but also creates a layered, styled look that feels intentional. The beauty of blankets is that they're both practical and decorative, bringing that same big seasonal impact as pillows while also being perfect to curl up with on chilly autumn nights. Now, you definitely don't need festive mugs to enjoy your coffee, but there's just something about them that makes the whole experience feel a little bit more special during the season you're in. Kitchen towels and runners are such an affordable way to bring in seasonal touches without having to overhaul your whole space. I think swapping out everyday linens for ones in fall colors adds charm to the kitchen or dining area. And I love how something as simple as a patterned towel can really make the whole room feel refreshed. They're practical pieces you'll use every day, but they also double as decor, creating that cozy seasonal atmosphere with very little effort. I have to say, I'm completely obsessed with tablecloths and linens. They're another layer that makes such a difference, and they add so much personality, tying the whole seasonal look together beautifully. Lastly, vintage frames are a beautiful way to style and layer in front of artwork or photos that you already own, adding extra charm and depth without needing to replace anything. Whether they're placed on a table, tucked into a vignette, or styled on a shelf, these little details make your space feel festive and thoughtfully layered for autumn. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it's given you some inspiration to decorate, and remember, it doesn't have to feel overwhelming when you stick to a few key elements like pillows, blankets, garlands, and linens to bring everything together.